speaking of that, let's actually go ahead and look at something that I saw today even. And we started, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a $5,000 account. And then we're going to be essentially, we're just going to be trying to double that to 10,000. So basically 5K to 10K. And so something like SoFi right here, we're in the middle between two paths. The first path is resistance. The bottom path would be support. And so something that just happened today, there was some news, dilution or whatever this was, just downgrades. I don't put all of my attention into stuff like that. Obviously, you have to pay attention to that, especially when it happens. But a lot of the times it'll come into a level that's like, oh, okay, well, this makes sense now. And it really came into a position right here that, it's basically, I call this the X pattern, which is two trend lines that intersect. But a lot of the times you'll see these consolidation and explosion, which is what happened here, consolidation and explosion. And I just did a video on this where folks will get in and get excited. They got this bounce. Shoot, even my indicator right here said, hey, bounce a buy. But what happened is that, boom, it just, all these stop losses, a bunch of options, anybody who got in some of these plays up here, they literally all just got wiped out. Say if they had a tighter stops, things like that. Now we're starting to see it, calm down a little bit here. So, I mean, there's still, it could definitely still reverse and come back into some of these support zones. I honestly expected it to come back into this support and go sideways from this X pattern, but sometimes you'll see it where it'll just hold it and then it'll just kind of just, go from there. What I would like to see with SoFi on this position would be for it to just hold and just ride this trend line. If that rides that trend line, that's a good thing. That's going to be a really good thing for it to do.